we're going to talk about the idiom off the bat. All right, so right off the bat, we need to know what the deal is with everyone. Let me just say this off the bat. I am not comfortable with how things are being handled right now. I walked into the room and straight off the bat, they made it known that they were not happy. Off the bat, what does it mean? Well, first, let's talk about different variations of this expression. You can hear someone say off the bat, right off the bat, or straight off the bat. And it basically just means immediately, instantly. So straight off the bat, I'm going to tell you, I don't like you. So at the point where you and I are together, before words are exchanged or actions are done, I'm just going to tell you that I don't like you. It means immediately. Now, this is an expression that you might primarily hear in the Northeast. You can also hear it in the South or on the West Coast, but definitely up north, off the bat, in places like New York, New Jersey, this expression is used. In basketball, when you shoot a basket and it goes in, you say it's a slam dunk. Now, the idea is it's a sure win. I'm definitely going to win. It's not going to be a problem. There aren't going to be any obstacles. So in the first example, when I say this case is going to be a slam dunk, I say that because I'm confident that I'm going to win the case. I know that what I am bringing to the table is definitely going to lead to me winning the case. We're going to talk about a phrasal verb that's very applicable in the world of soccer. The phrasal verb is kick off. When you kick off something, you start it, you begin it, you commence it. And when we think about soccer, right, the way that the game begins is you have the two teams on the field and the ref blows the whistle and a player from one of the teams will literally kick the ball to indicate that the game has begun. So to kick off, right? You will also hear this often if you listen to the radio. The DJ will say, all right, everyone, we're going to kick off today's programming with a word from our sponsors. Meaning, before we get to the music, before we get to any of the talk or whatever we have scheduled, we're going to listen to some ads. We're going to listen to some commercials because those are the people who are paying the bills. So we're going to kick off with